In this video, we will discuss about human eye. So, what is a human eye? Human eye, or you may say eyeball, is like a camera. The human eye acts like a camera. There are different parts of human eye. We will discuss one by one. First is your cornea. The cornea is the transparent front part of the eye. Okay. Light entering the eye get refracted or bent by cornea. So this is the cornea, the first portion, the first segment, transparent part of the eye. This one is your cornea. Light coming from outside enters the eye through the cornea. Okay, it is a curved one, so light get refracted into the eye through the cornea. After cornea, you have aqueous humor. There is a fluid. This is a fluid present which is called aqueous humor. The aqueous humor is a transparent watery fluid similar to plasma. Okay, the aqueous humor plays an essential role in the health of your eye. So aqueous humor also acts as a refracting medium like the cornea. Cornea bends the light. Cornea bends the light, and aqueous humor is also bend the light to some extent to enter the eye. Then the third structure is your iris. Iris is the thin circular structure made of connective tissue. Okay, iris is present behind cornea. Iris controls the size of the pupil. Okay, you see, after your aqueous humor, you have iris. This round shape is called your iris, and iris contains holds the pupil, right? This is your iris which holds the pupil. What is pupil? The pupil is a hole located in the center of the iris. The pupil regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. You see, this is the pupil. Light after coming from the aqueous humor, it enters the eye through the pupil. So pupil is a hole. It is a hole through which light can pass to the eye or eyeball. After the pupil, you have a lens. You may say it is called a eye lens. The lens is a transparent biconvex structure present behind iris and pupil. The lens refract light to be focused on the retina. Okay. So you can see here, after the iris and pupil, this is iris and pupil, just behind the iris you have eye lens. This is your eye lens. So light after coming from this pupil enter through this eye lens. Okay, so eye lens is a convex lens, and light after passing through the eye lens will made to focus in the retina. So finally the image will be formed, inverted image will be formed in the retina, on the retina. Then retina receives light focused by lens. Okay, it converts the light into neural signals and send these signals to the brain for visual recognition. So your retina it acts like a screen. Okay, so light coming from the convex lens or eye lens is focused on the retina, and the retina in retina the light is converted into electrical signals, and that electrical signals is sent to the brain for visualization. Then you have another part in eye is ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles are attached to the lens. Okay, the shape and curvature of the lens is controlled by the ciliary muscles. So to hold the lens and to make the shape and size of the lens, ciliary muscle is useful. So you see, this is the ciliary muscle. Ciliary muscle on the both side of the lens, eye lens, you have ciliary muscles. Through these ciliary muscles, the lens has been, these ciliary muscles holds this lens and it is attached to the eyeball. And the size of the lens, whether the lens will be bigger or smaller, that size of the lens is adjusted by the ciliary muscle. Another part is your vitreous humor. Vitreous humor, or simply called vitreous, is a clear colorless fluid that fills the space between the lens and the retina. It mainly holds the eye, making a spherical shape. You see, this is the vitreous humor. The vitreous humor is present in between this eye lens and retina, and this vitreous humor is responsible for the shape of this eyeball. Now let us discuss some questions. Why you are not able to see objects clearly for some time when you enter from bright light to a room with dim light? Okay, it is because the pupil of an eye acts like a variable aperture. Okay, the pupil can be adjusted. The pupil can be adjusted, whose size can be varied with the help of the iris. When the light is very bright, the iris contracts. The pupil iris contracts the pupil to allow less light to enter the eye. However, in dim light, the iris expands the pupil to allow more light to enter the eye. Okay, that is why we need some time for the iris expansion. Okay, that is why you need some time for the iris expansion. Next question. The eye lens forms an inverted real image of the object on the retina. How the inverted image becomes erect? Okay, inverted image is formed on the retina. How it will be erect? The erect can be done by the brain. It is done by the brain. Okay,